Alright, what's up everybody? This is Blazing Graphics giving you another little paint booth update. This is going to be paint booth build part 2. Sitting in there right now. It's not complete. A little bit of the plans changed. My dad came in here and did some more work. The morning I came in here, cleaned up some of the fiberglass work I've been doing on my dash and my tablet mod in my dash. If you want to see that, go to my other channel, Scrapping Payment. I'll put a link down in the description, possibly right here. You see that? Alright. Okay, yeah, so did some fiberglassing and I cleaned out all of the fiberglass I was doing in here so I have a nice clean slate. Start off, I got a light right above me which is shining down on me. Picked that up from Lowe's. That was 17 bucks and it has a cool little pole handle on it. That way you can easily just leave it plugged in and just pull it to turn it on and off, really simple. I skipped the idea of doing insulationing. Just going to be wrapping the walls in some 2mm plastic. Also got that at Lowe's. Turns out I didn't have to build a box for the fan. It literally actually wedges in there. Not too bad, but it wedges in there into the stock, the window area, which is really nice. Gonna be putting filters on the front and back side of it to prevent almost all the paint from leaving the actual little paint booth area. I bought a fan forced utility heater. It's a small heater. Hopefully for such a small space it should do just fine for this little area. Got all this, used 2x2s to divide the shed. Had those from a temporary booth last winter to paint a Jeep top and my tailgate also for my truck. So I just utilized those, and it's not the most solid wall, but you know it's going to work. All that's happening is it's going to get hung with plastic. There's going to be a plastic door. So also, before I started this build, we had some shelving that my dad installed when this shed was first built. I took it upon myself to put it down a little bit lower in the corner of the paint booth where it's not really going to be, you know, in the way too much, since it is such a small paint booth. It just goes across 3 of the 2x4s, and I mounted my spray gun holder, and right now I got my airbrush holder clamped on there, and then that's just going to be my prep station. But possibly it may turn into a small canvas station or really small parts for that area. But that way I can get all my paint and prepped and everything and good to go. So got that done. Behind me over here, we had some wires that were never wired up. So my dad actually helped me out with that today, and he wired up this outlet right here. It's just a single 125 volt outlet. That mainly just the heater is going to be used by that. Tomorrow going to be putting a 2 outlet in the ceiling to plug in the 4-foot light, and also the fan's going to be rerouted also to that. So that should be nice. I'll give you a little clip right now of the work stand right where I'm sitting. Obviously, it's such a small area, but I think just that work stand, if I'm working on a panel, I can put it on there, paint it, whatever I'm going to be doing. I also think I could put a wood flat top on it for smaller projects, so I can have something to set them on and do stuff like that. I do have the option of hanging stuff from the beams from the ceiling if it's not too heavy. I have a feeling I might be hanging some things fairly shortly. Going to be painting a 4-link and some suspension parts for a guy. So that's going to be one of the first projects going. Tomorrow I'm going to build a weird little thing. Tomorrow I'm going to build a spot to mount my GoPro. It has a really wide angle lens so I can actually get a full picture of the painting booth. That way when I start actually uploading my painting projects, I can actually record safely. I'm going to put a little window, and that way I can record the whole project if it's a larger one. The GoPro has a 140 degree angle lens, HD, so I'm going to put it up in the corner with a little window so I can actually shoot all my projects and post them for you guys to check them out. And then also I will film throughout the process of getting it ready for paint and all that other jazz. But I had that idea to make a little window so I can have a little mount for the GoPro so I can record while I'm actually painting. So that should be really cool for you guys. That's going to wrap it up for part 2 of the paint booth build. That's it for this. I'm going to be uploading this tonight, so some of you guys might see this tonight. Please subscribe. Just before I finish, please subscribe so I can get my videos out there. Like them, share them, comment if you have any suggestions or comments. Really trying to get this channel going. I obviously know probably not many people are into watching this. But hopefully once I start getting some paint projects going, you guys can start sharing them. I want to get my name out there a little more. You also can visit my other channel, Scrapping Pavement. That's my whole truck build. Going to be start doing a build thread on my dad's truck and just do some other nonsense on that channel. Upcoming for this channel, part 3, which will be the last part of the paint booth build. Obviously just getting everything plastic, getting the door hung, another outlet for the fan light, and that should be it for the paint booth. Obviously it's not a permanent thing, this is just so I can get some painting done during the winter time. And then hopefully I want to say next week I want to have a upload of some kind. Going to be getting some paint for my friend so we can paint up his suspension parts. And got a couple small things I'm going to start kicking on, practicing airbrushing and pinstriping. And anything that comes my way. I might just start painting stuff weird in the house willy-nilly and see what happens there. But I really hope to have an actual painting video up next week of something. Let's see, today is Wednesday night. Today's Wednesday night. So, today's Wednesday night, and hopefully by, let's just say, next Wednesday, I hope I have a video up. Don't count on that though. Just need to get this finished and just get going. So, I think that's all. Something may be thrown into the end of the video just in case I forgot something. But that's about it. I'm rambling again, like I always do. So. Alright. Got the bird going off in the background, bird clock. Okay, test shot sitting on 2 buckets, getting the window, hopefully I'm in a third. Get that rule of thirds going. And that's going to be that for that. And that and that. Alright? Okay. Okay, let's continue this. Boom, bing, bong. Okay, that's one part right there. And next part is wet. Okay, the camera. Okay, I'm going to continue with this. Talking fast, but not too fast. Alright. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys later.